बरोबर आमचे पीडब्ल्यूडी मिनिस्टर मिस्टर निलेश काब्राल आसात. आजचे पहिले कॅबिनेट डिसिजन विच इज एन GWMC तो आम्ही 10% of the charges of the waste scraps करपाचे ठरयले. It is for the 10% GWMC, rest of we are allocating it to the KT. Government centrally KT is the law. The upfront transfer of land of the 2000 square meter to the village panchayat party. Government land village panchayat is the grant of ex post facto approval extension of services to Dr. Sushila Mendes, professor in the history for the government college on the superannuation. Approval for the beautification around the lake and surrounding of the Sri Mahaganapati temple at a modern villa panchayat TV GTDC Chavati. Grant of the approval of the sale of sale of the Dr. Tristao Braganda Dr. Kunna Sports Complex at the Kasaulin for the highest bidder, H1 bidder. खूप वर्षां झाली बंद आशिल्ले स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्सची वेगवेगळी शॉपां आमी लिजाक दिवच्या पेक्षा दिसता हायेस्ट H1 बिडर कोण येतलो पळय न्ही ताका लीज करतले. प्रिफरन्स इज गिविंग फॉर दॅट लोकल सेंटर फर्स्ट एंड इफ नॉट लोकल इज कमिंग देन वी आर गिविंग फॉर द आउटसाइड दैट पंचायत. Exposure to for the expenditure section for the expenditure of the World Youth Skill Day under the Sawant Goa. Introduction of the single file system into the Director of the Public Grievances. Proposal for the amendment of the increase in the stipend of the SC/SC trainees in the Labour Welfare Center. Regularization of the appointment of the 2 data entry operators hired by the Infotech Corporation. It is in Goods and Services Tax Act Amendment in 2017 as per the Central Act. Appointment of the junior the exposure to expenditure sanction for the work of the PWD crackdown of the road at the Chandreshwar temple. Then providing laying, testing, commissioning of the sewage network and trenchless methods and including the construction of the manholes etc. in pending. Exposure to approval for the sanctioning takeable work by the PWD department, additional work, and surrounding. Awarding for the project management consultancy for the Darasho company for the Kurbi Hindu village at Sangay. Grant of approval of the expenditure sanction of the 63 crores towards the wellness pharmacy at the Gomantak college. Grant of the exposure to approval for the extension of the engagement of the services of the 3 consultants Ernst & Young LLP and exposure for the Nixie in Directorate of Industries. Approval of the transfer of land from the DRDA to Tourism Department for Unity Mall. It is an amendment, it is a notification official. It is an approval of the Goa State Check Policy 2023 as Cabinet has approved. And there is a policy for regulating the iron ore dump handling in the state of Goa. Dump policy and check policy दोन्ही आज जे आसा कॅबिनेटात अप्रूवल दिल्ले आसा.